Hello everyone, welcome back to another recipe vlog by the Pastry Warden. My name is Chef Andre Ward, and today I'm going to be making almond cream. Whether you are an aspiring pastry chef or someone who loves to make desserts at home, almond cream is a must-have in the kitchen. It is extremely versatile and very simple to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Let's go over our ingredients. We have soft butter, powdered sugar, eggs, almond flour, salt, and cornstarch. The first step in this demonstration is to cream together the butter and the salt. As you can see in the video, I forgot to add my salt. However, I will add it in the next step. You want to make sure you cream the butter very well because it's going to have an effect on the texture of your final product. Make sure it's really nice and light and fluffy before you start adding all your other ingredients. Nice. Scrape everything down. Next, we're going to add the powdered sugar, but the powdered sugar needs to be sifted, so we're going to take this, just like that. Scrape all the butter off the paddle. And then we're going to sift the powdered sugar over it. Powdered sugar absorbs moisture from the air and forms lumps that will not blend in your mixture. Sifting removes these lumps and will aid in making your mix homogeneous. Now, back on the mixer. Start on low speed. And we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. Starting to get thick now, nice and creamy and pale. Now that we got everything all mixed up, it should look like almost like a thick frosting. Have a look at that. Thick, creamy, luscious. Just want to take my finger and it's like, but no, we need it for the recipe, so. Next, I'm going to add the salt. Actually, you should add your salt while you're creaming your butter because the butter will absorb the flavor of the salt. Then I'm going to add my almond flour. Now that we got that mixed in, I'm going to incorporate the eggs. Give it a quick whisk. And then I'm going to add it to my mixture a little bit at a time in 2 additions. After the first addition is incorporated, I'm gonna add my second addition, okay? Make sure your eggs are at room temperature because if they're cold, your mix will split. Now I'm going to add my cornstarch. and blend that just till smooth. All right, there you go. Get everything a mix. Get at the bottom of the bowl. Make sure you got everything mixed up in there. And it all should be one color. Very homogeneous. Nice and creamy. Place the mixture in an airtight container and freeze until ready to use. Almond cream will last for up to 2 months, depending on what kind of freezer you have. Hey ladies and gents, I know this was a simple recipe to make, but we're not finished yet. Stay tuned for my next video demonstrating on how to make an amazing pear tart using this almond cream. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, like, share, and leave a comment on what you would like to see me make for my next video. This is the Pastry Warden, signing out.